Hello there, smart learner. Oh my goodness is my name. You may address me as Mr. OMG. I enjoy math questions until I have to eat math questions 5 times a week. I eat primary questions for breakfast, secondary questions for lunch, JC questions for snack, university questions for dinners, math Olympiad questions for suppers. I'd like to share with you what I eat in a week. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're lucky, your comment will appear in one of my videos. Shannon parked her car at ABC Car Park. She paid a total $10.9. And what was the longest possible duration of parking? Remember, our objective is to find longest possible duration of parking. From here, we can make the model like this is the first hour and this is the additional half hour. And total is 10.9. From here, we can make the model equations like 2.5 plus 1.2 times box, where the box is the amount of yellow box here, we don't know, and that equals to 10.9. First, to solve this equation, we 10.9 minus 2.5, which is 8.4, and 8.4 divided by 1.2 will equal to 7. And let's make 7 yellow box. So we know this is 1 hour plus 7 times 0.5, which is 4.5 hour. The total surface area of a cube is 294 centimeters square. So this is a cube like this. And the object is to find the volume of the cube. There is 6 surfaces in the cube, so that makes 6 square, which is 6 times side. That is surface area, which is 294. To find the answer, we need to divide by 6 first. 294 divided by 6, 49. And square root of 49 is 7. Why square root? Because this is side times side. Yeah. And then we find what's the volume of the cube, which is 7 times 7 times 7, 343. And that's the answer. The ratio of the three sides of right angle triangle is 4 to 5. If the area of triangle is 150 centimeters square, find the perimeter of triangle. Okay. The objective now is to find the perimeter of the triangle. What triangle is that? This triangle. The ratio is 3 to 4 to 5. So this is 3A, 4A, 5A. Why this is 5A? Because the longest must be in front of triangle. So we know this is the area is 150. So this is 3A times 4A divided by 2. This makes 150. To find A, first we times it by 2, 300, divide by 3, divide by 4, and then we get A times A equals 25. And to find A, we square root 25, which is 5. Let's make a triangle 15, 20, 25. And the perimeter will be 60 centimeter. His primary questions: what's the objective? What time was his training supposed to start? Okay, the important thing is the objective. Okay, let's see the questions. Peter left for track training for when his watch shows 7:45 a.m. So that's the watch time. His watch was 10 minutes slow, so the real time is supposed to be plus 10. So the real time is 7:55. And then he go to the stadium. He took 55 minutes to travel. So let's add them. 755 plus 55. That's 710. And minus 60, we get 850 days, the real time. The real time is 850. However, when he arrived at the stadium, he realized that he was 10 minutes early. So basically, the time his training started supposed to be at 9 o'clock. And that's the answer, 9 o'clock. Primary questions. Susan had 154 sweets. And in objective is how many sweets do they have altogether? So objective is to find how many sweets they have altogether. Susan had 154 sweets, while his cousin, we don't know how much. If she gives 72, so this is minus 72 and plus 72, and we don't know how much the cousin have. But If she give this, the constant increased by 9%. So this is the 9%. Okay, so now we know that this is 9% 72. 1% is 8 because 72 divided by 9 is 8. 100% is 800. This is the 100%, the amount of constant at first. Yeah. So how many sweets do they have altogether? Do they have altogether is 954. The solid figure is made of 14 cubes glued together. The entire figure, inclusive the base, is painted pink. How many cubes have 3 of their face painted pink? So these cubes, find how many cubes that are painted pink, 3 of them. Easily, we can make this figure scatter like this. This is the first one, which is this first, second, 4. Can you see? And this is the pink, the yellow. I mean, this is the yellow. That's the green. This, and this is the blue. Yeah, you can see. Okay. Now let's find out how many of them painted pink. This one painted 5 of them pink, their faces. This one, this require imagination, 3, right? And this one, only 2. If you can see that, this is 3, right? Only the other sides, this 3. How about this? Only 2. This 4. How about this? 3 is 3. This is 2. The key is to use imaginations. 3, 2, 4, 3, plus this, that, right? And the last one will be 5. So how many painted 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So the answer is 6. How many cubes there are painted pink? Hope you get it. The figure below is made up a 2-quadrant radius of 7, and the shaded square area is 9. So this is basically the picture. And the objective, what is the perimeter? Please remember, this is the perimeter. Okay, to find perimeter, basically we need to find what is the length of this, plus that, plus this, plus that, yeah? Okay, first of all, the shaded area square is 9. So we know this is square root of 9. Okay, sorry, square root of 9 is 3. So this is basically 3. So if this is 3, we know this is 7 minus 3, which is 4. 4 here. This is 4. So this also must be 4. This is 4. This is 4, right? The blue one. How about this? The curved one. We know the circumference is 2 pi r. So to find the curved one, we use 2 times pi times radius times 1 over 4 because it's quadrant. So if we count that, it's 11. So basically this is 11. 11. Okay, to find the perimeter, that means we need to count 11 times 2 plus 4 times 4. You can see that? There are 4. So to count that, 22 plus 16, which is 38. So the answer is 38 centimeter. And that's the answer.